back to Biology Lectures with Akerele Oladimeji Philip. It's my wonderful pleasure to have you with me on the lecture. So today we'll move on to another model that explains the effects of enzymes, or how enzymes work, I mean to say. So, and that model is the Induced-fit model. Now, the other model that explains enzyme activity is the Induced-fit model. Now, this one says something here. In reality, when a substrate binds to the active site of the enzyme, the active site and the substrate change shape slightly to fit more perfectly. Now, what this model explains is the substrate and the enzyme's shape are not rigid, exactly like a lock and a key. Now, let me say this. When it doesn't mean the lock and key model is wrong, but it just means that this model gives a better explanation, so to say. Now, then it doesn't mean if you're asked on the exam that explain the lock and key model, then you say, oh, the lock and key model doesn't really make sense or it's not perfect. No, that's wrong. It's still correct. As a matter of fact, lock and key model is the basis for this, for the Induced-fit model. So, all right, because I notice that sometimes students can be very funny at analyzing things. Both theory or model are correct, just that one gives a better explanation of the action. So the point is, the substrate changes its shape slightly to fit into the active site, and the active site also changes shape to accommodate the substrate more. It's like being a friend with somebody. You adjust to each other to be able to flow more. You can't remain rigid. Okay, this is how I am. I can't change. That will not allow the friendship to grow. So in the same way, the substrate adjusts itself to fit into the active site, and the active site also adjusts itself to fit into to accommodate the substrate, so to say. So that is what the Induced-fit model explains. So see you in the next video.